So here's the pieces I built. And what I did is I just took some, I think it was 2 by 5, 3/16 wall, rectangular actual tubing, and split it down the middle. And this end piece is where I'll actually put the air, and that'll pinch between there and there, kind of like that on the inlet pipe side of the pipe. And then this piece will do the same, and it will block the air from coming out on the end. It's what I've got for gaskets, and I'm not sure if these are going to work, but it's pretty thick automotive. It's not felt, it's kind of like a rubber felt type gasket to kind of help seal the air off. So I'll get these bolted on, get the torch out, get some air in it, and we'll see if we can get it out of there. So what I'm going to try to use is my leak down tester, because it's just an easy way to try to regulate the air going into it. So I figure that's not a terrible idea. We'll see what happens here. Definitely got some leaks right there on the bottom, so let me see if I can tighten that up. That leak to go away. Slowed it down, so I think we'll start at about 40 pounds and see if that'll work to push that out. On the outside, and kind of work my way in with this with fairly minimal heat. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty amazing. I know it's going to kind of discolor the nickel coating or the chrome or whatever it is, but we're going to run a pipe guard on this bike anyway, so it beats the hell out of having to wait a couple months on a brand new one. So I'm really pleased with how this worked out. I'll show you guys again. So I just kind of pinches that, the head side of it down in, the air goes in there, and then that just acts as a block off plate to keep the air from coming out. And it maintained pretty much 40 psi the whole time, so I I recommend you guys get a leak down tester. I use that for all kinds of stuff. I actually pressure test radiators when I weld them on conversions, and of course, you know, engine diagnostics. So, all right, let's tear it apart and see what else we can do here.